Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to use Printful with Amazon. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to use Printful with Amazon? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so first thing you need to do is go to a website called Zapier. This website helps you automate certain things for your Amazon and help integrate different platforms together. Once you've created a Zapier account, toggle the left menu and click on Create Zap. On the next page, search for Amazon. Then you need to choose an event. Click on New Order and click Continue. Next, sign in with your seller account on Amazon. Click on Step 2 to create the action. Search for Printful, choose an event and create an order. Click Continue and sign into your Printful account. This will automatically connect your Amazon seller account to your Printful account. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.